This property is less than kilometer away from De La Salle University, Laguna campus. Andito kami today sa Barangay Malamig dito sa Binyan City, Laguna. Kasi binisit namin yung kaka-open lang na residential lot property. Ang lakas ng hangin. Nahahawi ate buhok. So ito yung Meadow Crest. But the village itself is the Heartwood. Yan. Siyempre hindi nyo bababasa, naka-invert yan eh. Marami tayong mga available na lot only ranging from 299 square meter to 400 plus. And as you can see, maraming green in the area. City pa rin pero very much like province vibes na dito sa lugar kasi nga mapuno. So Heartwood Village, yung pinakang pangalan ng subdivision natin, and here's the plan. As you can see, palibot tayo ng greenery dito sa area.